Clara and her scooter. Clara and her scooter. It's raining, it's raining. Clara likes her scooter. Show me how you scooter. Don't look. We love the rain. Where are you going? Claire, we're done with the weeds. I'm afraid you're going to start picking flowers. That's what happens in Central Oregon. It rains for a few minutes and then beautiful skies. So we're looking at some of our flowers out here that are getting a nice drink. Claire's just picking everything that's green. Are you sure you're supposed to pick those, Claire? Yes. We have a couple of sunflowers that just kind of randomly popped up in the yards adjacent to us. This is Chris's house, and he has 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 sunflowers. Isn't that pretty? Clara, and what's over here? What's at neighbor Lily's house? Show me that sunflower.
That's a sunflower.
Tell me about it.
And there's going to be a flower on top.
Is there going to be a giant flower on top? That's a beautiful looking sunflower so far. Look at the stalk on that thing.
Yeah.
Is this the stalk right here? Look how thick it is.
It's thick, thick, thick.
It's going to be a beautiful flower, isn't it? And then we're going to have seeds.
To go with?
And we can eat them.
I'm going to go down.
It's going to be great. I mean, the late spring, early summer here has been fantastic in 2019.
Yeah.
And then, of course, we have the whole cul-de-sac to skateboard and scooter, and nobody bothers us. It's fantastic. We have great neighbors. Mindy's right there. Brian and Deanna. Brian and Rachel. Gary and Carly. Chris, Solo, and then us. Our beautiful house. And beautiful Clara. She's so cute. You don't care about the rain?
No.
What's it? You're not cold or wet?
No.
You don't care. Because you're like your daddy, right? We play in the rain. Rain, rain,
my
rain.
jacket.
You're lick. Oh, lovely. Yeah, lick the dirt off. Good job, Claire.
Yeah.